What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you these beautiful glass shelves with really chic contemporary brackets. These come in different widths and sizes, and if you have a niche like this or you're doing a custom build, they're perfect for that exact reason. Secured in place by a screw that's at the very bottom there, and the brackets also come not just in chrome but brushed nickel and other colors as well. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install these glass tempered shelves. Stay tuned for the whole video. So today we have some pretty nice items in this box today. These are transparent sturdy glass shelves that are going to beautify pretty much any space or any wall. They have really nice chrome style, very chic mounts. They're going to hold this shelf, and we will place these on the wall just like this. To secure these in the wall, we have a bunch of screws that came with the shelf. Next, we have these stunning transparent glass shelves available in different sizes. And the edges have a nice bevel to them, and this is a tempered glass, so if it shatters, it's not going to get everywhere. And we will place them just like this. To place the glass into these mounts, you have to unscrew this bottom screw here. Now you don't unscrew it completely, just a little bit. After that, the top of the holder is going to be loose. Now we place the glass inside in between just like this. Tighten the screw, and there you have it. You have just mounted one holder with our glass shelf, and the same will apply to the other. So there you have it. We're doing some custom build for these shelves and they came out pretty stunning. Anyway, that's the video for today. I definitely recommend these glass shelves, and the brackets also come not just in chrome but brushed nickel and other colors as well. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.